this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. There is some nearby attractions, some landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, please be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is outstanding. Viewers love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and